Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account and app readiness. Make sure your Google account is signed in and two-step verification is accessible. This avoids lockouts. Once done, update or install the YouTube and YouTube Studio apps from your App Store so features sync. Open YouTube, tap your avatar in the top right, and select your channel to verify the active account. This ensures Studio will open the correct channel when you switch apps or use the Studio app directly. Now open the YouTube Studio app. Grant camera and microphone permissions if you plan to record or go live. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the bottom navigation. Dashboard shows key stats, content lists videos, analytics gives performance metrics, and comments surfaces engagement. Tap content to manage uploads. Use the search or filters to find a video quickly. Make sure to tap a video to edit details like title, thumbnail, and visibility. These edits save instantly, so review before exiting. Finish by saving all changes and confirming visibility settings, public, unlisted, or private, or set a schedule for future publishing. Once saved, check analytics to confirm metrics update and use the comments tab to reply from your phone. If Studio does not reflect changes, try signing out and signing back in, clear the app cache in settings, or reinstall the app. These steps resolve most sync issues. If two-step verification blocks access, follow Google's recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.